Let me tell you something uncomfortable. You don't have a money problem. You have a decision problem. Right now, not tomorrow, not next year, money is quietly escaping your life. Not through one big mistake, but through 100 tiny ones you barely notice. And the scariest part? You feel responsible. You work hard, you hustle, you try to do the right thing, yet somehow nothing sticks. That's not bad luck, that's leakage. And today, we're sealing the cracks. Wealth is not about how much you earn, it's about what happens to your money after it touches your hands. Most people treat money like entertainment. Wealthy people treat money like employees. If your money leaves you and never comes back, it wasn't spent, it was lost. Let's talk about where it's going. 1. The daily small expense that isn't small. Coffee problem. Everyone defends this one. It's just coffee, it makes me happy, I deserve it. No, it's a subscription you never calculated. Let's break it down. $6 per day, about $180 per month, over $2,000 per year. Now here's where people fail. They stop counting. If that same $180 per month is invested, not traded, not gambled, just invested into a broad market fund over a working lifetime, you don't lose coffee money, you lose retirement freedom. That cup isn't expensive because of the price, it's expensive because of what it could have become. Wealthy people don't hate coffee, they hate wasting future compounding. Solution? Make it at home. Take the difference. Own the company instead of funding it. Consumers drink the product, owners collect the profit. 2. The most expensive status symbol on earth. Cars. Nothing destroys net worth faster than shiny metal with wheels. Cars don't build wealth, they drain it quietly. Here's the trap. You buy a new car to reward yourself, but that reward starts punishing you immediately. Depreciation, insurance, interest, maintenance. You're paying monthly for something that is worth less every day. That's backwards math. Wealthy thinking asks one question: does this move me forward or hold me in place? Used cars answer that question correctly. Let someone else absorb the value loss. You buy function, not ego. And here's the kicker most people never see. The real cost of a new car is what that payment could have grown into. That $500 to $700 monthly payment invested instead, that's 6 figures over time. Not someday, not magically, mathematically. 3. Credit card debt is reverse investing. Credit cards aren't evil, misusing them is. When you carry a balance, you are doing the opposite of investing. You are locking in a guaranteed negative return. No stock beats 20% interest. No hustle outperforms bad debt. You cannot out-earn a leaking bucket. Wealthy people use credit cards like tools, protection, points, short-term liquidity, but they never, ever carry interest. If you owe money at 20% interest and invest at 8%, you're losing even when you think you're winning. The fastest investment you can ever make? Paying off high-interest debt. It's instant, it's risk-free, it works every time. 4. Buying cheap is expensive. Fast fashion and junk. Cheap stuff feels good once, then it breaks, then it fades, then it disappears, and you buy it again. That's not saving, that's bleeding slowly. Wealthy people don't buy more, they buy better, or they buy assets disguised as products. Quality lasts, value holds, some items even appreciate. Poor mindset asks, how much does it cost? Wealthy mindset asks, what does this return over time? Cost per wear beats price tags every single time. 5. Cash that does nothing is dying. Here's the lie nobody tells you. Saving alone will not make you wealthy. Uninvested cash is losing value every year. Inflation doesn't announce itself, it erodes silently. Money must work, or it shrinks. That doesn't mean gambling. That doesn't mean day trading. It means ownership, businesses, markets, productive assets. Money sitting idle is fear in physical form, and fear has a cost. The formula nobody teaches. Wealth is not mysterious. It's fewer leaks, better decisions, longer timelines. Stop asking, how do I make more money? Start asking, where is my money going and why? Fix the leaks first, then scale. Most people will hear this and change nothing. They'll defend habits, they'll justify comfort, they'll scroll on, and a year from now, nothing will look different. But if you're serious about building real, durable wealth, not flashy illusions, subscribe to Findolax. This channel isn't motivation, it's math, it's discipline, it's ownership. Don't just watch, execute. Your future balance sheet is watching what you do next.